Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to delete and remove all likes on Instagram. If you're using Instagram and now you want to delete and remove your all likes, so let's see how you can do this. You have to open your Instagram app and here just go to your profile in the right bottom corner, just tap on it, and here you just have to tap on three horizontal lines in the top right corner, and here select your activity. In the activity you will get the option of likes. Here's that, tap on it, and here you will get all the videos you have liked. Now if you want to unlike or remove like from them, so you just have to select this option, and here you have to select the post which you want to remove like. Here's no any built-in features to remove or select all. You just have to select the post, then select unlike. And after selecting unlike, your all posts will be unliked or delete or remove all likes on Instagram. So that's how you can easily delete and remove all likes on Instagram. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.